Razdi's Rain Fairy. This 5-year-old mare by Rubin out of a dam by Wachmann III with a successful Hanoverian stallion further back in her pedigree, Rubinstein I, now appears before us. This is a colossal of a horse, pitch black in color. She shines in the sun and her elegant black coat is all the more beautiful this way. This time it is Marlies that introduces us to this stunning youngster. The basic paces of this Rubin youngster are as captivating as her rideability. It is particularly her outline, suppleness, and overall impression that are so compelling. From the side, it is clear how well she carries her rider and how her supple back contributes to a positive feeling to the rider. Her grandsire, Rubinstein, is an accomplished dressage performer. He has 40 wins at Grand Prix level, was a member of the 1996 Olympic team, sired 89 state premier mares and 66 approved stallions. And her dam sire, Wachmann III, has sired well over 30 open show jumpers, including Alzu's Woodlands, who won in South Africa, in the USA, and in Canada, and the 2008 Avis South African Derby winner, War Angle B. He has been a producer of A-grade horses in South Africa for many years, siring more open horses than any other warm-blood stallion in South Africa and in Namibia. Her dam lines originate out of the original warm-blood stallions imported by Jerry de Toy of Alzu Wildmeyer. Both Wachmann and Dobent form part of what we consider foundation stallions of the South African warm-blood